everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you guys a Dollar Tree haul. But first, let me say this: if this is your first time watching my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I love for you to stick around. And for everybody else, thank you guys for always hitting that watch button and coming back to see what I found at the Dollar Tree. Okay, now before I get started, because as you can tell, I'm still sitting in the parking lot at Dollar Tree. I didn't plan on doing this video in the car. I wanted to do it at home, but I figured I might as well just get this out because it's Sunday. The day is going by, and I'd like to have this up for you guys today. Also, at home, yesterday, I was doing like this little DIY project. I had got inspired by something I saw at Bath and Body Works. This cute little cloak thingy that you could put your candle in or whatever. And so I decided to make 2 of them using Dollar Tree products. When I get home, I will put that at the end of this video so you guys can see that. It's just a quick little DIY, but I would love to share it with you guys. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you guys what I picked up. I went crazy in the department with the pictures. I don't know why, but I did. So first of all, I grabbed this Rise and Grind, and I just thought this would be cute in like an area where you're going to have your coffee station or whatever. Now, some of these I picked up for myself, and then some I picked up to just share with people in the family. If my mom, if my sisters, one of my cousins, if somebody comes over and is just like they want one, then I'll give these away. Otherwise, I'll see if I'm going to use them. I got this one definitely for myself. I love cherries. That is my favorite summer fruit. And it's a farmer's market, and I just think this is so cute. I really like that. I like that little vintage type feel to it. And if I don't keep these in these frames, I was thinking about spray painting them, so I don't know what I'm going to do, but yeah. This is adorable. It says, kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul and healthy to the body. So this is adorable. Grab that one. Be grateful. I like that one. I really like that one a lot. This pineapple. They did have a watermelon one and another different kind of a pineapple. I took pictures. I will put those at the end of the video, but I just thought this was cute. I definitely want to change the frame on this. I like the color, but I just think it will be more, I don't know. I might go get some spray paint that's this color, like the teal type greenish color, and do the frame in that. I don't know. We'll see. And then another farmer's market. I really like these a lot with the little tomato. Super cute. They had a lot of pictures that I didn't get, and I will put pictures at the end. And then this one with all the fruits, and it has the names of the fruits next to it, and I just thought those were super cute. So I did get those. And then for my cousin, these are super cute, but for my cousin, she was just telling me the other day that she's redecorating her daughter's room, my little baby cousin. And so I got these for her. I don't technically need these, and hopefully she can use these in the room. But how cute are these? I'm gonna open this one. The reason why I didn't want these is because, for myself, is because they're kind of small. And the bins that I use at the house are a little bigger than this. But these are, you can't beat these. $1 for the cute little sequin bins. Super cute. And so this one is like silver and then the rose gold. So you got the silver and the rose gold. And these are kind of small. This one is 7. It says 7 by 7 pretty much for this one. And then there is the 8 by 8 as well. So this one is, the 8 by 8 is going to be a little bit, about this much more in height. This one is bigger in width a little bit. So this one was the rose gold, and then here's this one with the regular pink. And it looks like the color when you swipe it is the pink, and then like the bluish green, like mermaid type color. So I got 2 of those, and then I also got her the silver with this rainbow type color. And this one is also an 8 by 8. And then I got the same one in the back of these are black. And then I got the same one in the 7 by 7 and the same type of colors. But how cute. How cute are these? And it's funny because I was just looking at some of these at Walmart And they were definitely way more than $1, but of course I was looking at the bigger ones. These are just kind of tiny, and I don't really have the need for them. But I think my cousin's daughter's room, these will fit perfectly for her, for a little girl or something like that. I just thought those were super cute, so I had to get them. Okay, let me see, because these are sitting right here on top. I did get Pooh Bear some Justice League Hot Wheels, because my baby loves Hot Wheels. He has, like, I can't even count how many he has. So I got the Justice League, and this is the Wonder Woman car. How cute is that? And then I got him this one. It says I don't know, that one said maximum leeway. I guess that's, I mean, to me that's Wonder Woman. I don't know, it said maximum leeway. I don't know the names, but underneath it says Boulevard Bruiser. So I got that one. Quick and Sick, that one. And this one is Baseline or Bass Line. So I just picked those up for my Pooh Bear to have. Then I grabbed this notebook. I think my daughter might like this. When you push it, can you guys see that? When you push it, it lights up. Can you see it? I don't know. There's a light in there that's, yeah, you can see it. But because I'm outside, it's not showing up too good. But it's just a little notebook with the little diamond, and you push the button and it lights up on the inside. I just kind of thought that was different. They had some more Buddha dolls. Remember the last ones they had, I went ahead and I spray painted those gold. So this time they had this one. The other one kind of looked like this one, but he was holding a bowl. So I went ahead and got this one, which I probably will spray paint as well. I'm not too sure if I am or not. I like that they're black. Definitely gonna spray paint him because he's all chipped up, but most of them were like that because these are like really heavy. So I did get these, and I just like them. I just like them, and everybody is selling those right now. Michael's, everywhere that I'm going, I'm seeing the Buddha, because they're putting them out like with the plants and the succulents and stuff like that, like a little Zen garden type thing. And I don't know. I got these glasses. I thought these were cute for $1. Like, yeah, these are super cute. Really, really nice. For $1, I was like, yeah, let me get those. And then they had, finally found these things, but let me show you this cup first. Then I got this cup, but first coffee, because I can't help it when I see a cute cup. My store finally got these things. I have been looking for these, and I wanted one, and it was the little keychain with the flower, little leather, fake leather flower. So I got the blue one, and then I got the gold little puffy hearts. You guys know I was going to get these. I don't think I'm going to use them as a keychain. I was thinking about putting them like on my planner, or I don't know, or even giving them away or something like that. But definitely keeping this purple flower. And I like that it's chunky. It's kind of cute. So then I picked up another gold heart. I don't know why we took so long to get these, but yeah, the stores out here took forever. I also picked up another toy, and this one is Say It, Don't Spray It. And I've seen the bigger version of this like in Target, and I was like, they have this. I don't think I paid attention to this if this been in Dollar Tree, but you just get the two little mouth thingies that you put in your mouth, and you get your cards. And so the reader wears the mouthpiece, and you roll the dice, and then you have to say what's on the card with your mouth like wide open. And I just think this is going to be so fun to try with the kids or whatever. So yeah, so I picked that up. Now I'm going to hop into this other bag, and it will be done. Then I saw these, and I was like, yes, I need these. They are so cute. They look like those fake, like the rocks that you can buy. You know, the really pretty rocks that they kind of cut and then they, you know, draw on them. Well, this is just like a little plaque, and it has a little stand, so you can stand this up on the table. And this one says love never fails, but I am loving the blue and the colors in that. This one says follow your heart. Really pretty, really, really pretty. And they all have the stands on the back, and I love the gold like foiling in that. And then this one is, I think, is my favorite, live life in full bloom. And I really like the colors on this one. Really pretty, and they're not too small, but they're not too big. Really cute. So definitely had to get all three of those. I don't know if there's any other ones, but those were the three that I saw. I did pick up these glass containers, and the tops screw off, and I really like them. I was probably gonna go back and get some more because I like that they can be stored right next to each other. Since they're square, they can, you know, sit right next to each other on the counter or wherever you want them at. Then I got these bubblegum painters. They say that the mouth coloring bubblegum, Pooh Bear will like those. I don't give him too much gum, but when I do, he'll like those. And then the last things that I got, I always, whenever I find the stage books, like right now, Pooh Bear, I buy him stage 1, reading with help books. So I saw these two, and these were kind of new to me, so I just went ahead and got them. Even though they're step 2, I'll still read these to him, even though we're in step 1, just to kind of get him ready for step 2. And it's Freckle Face Strawberry, Lunch, or What's That? And the words kind of, you know, they're a little bigger for him, even though he's only 4. But yeah, I got that for me to read to him. And then, of course, SpongeBob, the food fight. And he'll love that. Look, pickles and everything. So whenever I find the stage books, I always get those, especially number 1. So that's it, you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up. But like I said, I should be, as soon as I'm done talking, I should be putting up my quick little DIY project, which I thought was super cute. So I want to share with you guys. And then after that, following that will be some pictures of some of the stuff that I saw in Dollar Tree that I didn't purchase. And then look forward to another one real soon, because I'm on the hunt for something that I'm looking for. And you guys know, when I'm on the hunt, I don't stop until I find it. So over the next couple of days, I'll be back in Dollar Tree looking for those items. So with that being said, thank you guys all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share. I love that. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Okay, so here are my DIY projects, and they were inspired, like I said, by the Bath and Body Works one that I saw on their website. So it was like a little cloak to have like your candles in. So I just took the glass, you know, bowls from Dollar Tree, and what I did was I took the salt and pepper shakers like this, and I had just glued those. I hot glued those onto the top of this one. And then I took, where's my ribbon? Right here. I took this ribbon from Dollar Tree, and I basically just wrapped it around the whole thing and hot glued it at this top part right here. And I left this one white just because of the color scheme, the white with the, you know, and all of that. And then this one, you guys know I can't do anything without doing something gold. So I just took the same one and I spray painted it gold. And that egg came out of this right here, the little ceramic painting set. And I just spray painted that gold as well and stuck that on top. And I just think these make cute little cloak. Are they called cloak? I think that's what that said. Cloak little candle things. And I like this candle colors to go with this one. And then I thought this purple and blue one was cute for, you know, Easter. It looks like a little Easter egg. So that's what they look like, my little Bath and Body Works DIY projects for some spring decor. Sorry if you guys hear a bunch of noise in the background. Pooh Bear is going through some stuff. Okay, you guys, so this was my little projects.